Hi guys, this is Meenu. Welcome back to my channel Storytale. This video is going to be a little bit different because today I'm not going to be reviewing any books. Today I'm going to be talking about my experience of buying used books or almost new books from bookchore.com. If you have no idea about bookchore.com, it is basically a website or an app where you can buy books which are also new and which are also used. You can get second-hand books at a very reasonable cost. I've recently bought 6 books from the app and it only cost me 540 rupees. It was around 640 or 650 and I got 100 rupees discount, so I got like for 540 or 550 something, and I thought it was a very great deal because I also got 3 hardcovers, which is very rare to find, at least at this price. This video is not sponsored. I have bought these books with my own money and I just wanted to share my experience with it. I've still not opened the package. It has been delivered to me yesterday. I just wanted to open it with you guys and share my experience with you all. Let me just show you how big the package actually came. It is very heavy. As you can see, this is a really very big package. It has like 6 books in it. 3 are supposed to be hardcovers. I really hope it is hardcovers because I've ordered that. And I really wish it's what inside it, and I also wish there are like bookmarks in it because I get very happy when I get, free bookmarks with books. So I really wish there are some bookmarks in it. So let's just open it and see what is inside. When you are buying books from Bookchore, you can choose the kind of condition that you want. There are 4 to 5 conditions. There's readable, there's good, there's almost new, and there's new. And there's also something else I do not remember. So 3 books I've ordered as almost new and 3 books in good condition. So let's see what are the actual condition of the books. Let's just open the package now. I'm just gonna tell you, I do not know how to cut packages. Actually, I'm gonna mess it up. So let's see. It is very tightly packed, so I do not know how I'm gonna open it. Let's see. Okay. Okay, as you can see, it has this kind of covering, which I think is very secured kind of covering, so that is something that I like. But there are just too many tapes, and the tapes are from Bookchore only. So let's see. I've opened it actually pretty well. Not bad. Maybe not that good. This is gonna take a bit. Fine line with this. Now let's open it. Okay. So the first thing that I can notice is that there's a note. Hello Meenu, this is to thank you for making a purchase at bookchore.com. We are glad to have you aboard with us. Welcome. Oh, that is very sweet. I really like it. See? And from what I can see, the condition of this book is like amazing. I mean, I love it. See? I think it's really pretty. I mean, this is supposed to be like almost new condition. I've ordered 3 Dan Brown books which are in almost new condition, and this is the first book that I'm seeing and I'm loving it. I mean, this is actually as good as new. It is actually. It is hardcover, like I said, it is hardcover. I do not know how it looks from the inside. Let me see. Oh, this has a very nice print on it, which I think is very cool. And here it is, as you can see. I actually like it. I've ordered like 3 books like this, so let's see the other 2. I really like this personal touch of note and everything. I think that is very sweet. Okay, let me keep it aside. This is Dan Brown's Inferno. This is also in a very good condition, like I can see. This is like almost new. I do not know how they're doing it. This is like almost new. Everything is just so nice. Oh, this has even much prettier hardcover. I really like it. Wow, this is actually very nice. This is very cool. I like it. This is nice. And it just cost me like $100, not even actual $100, but it's just like cost me just $100. That is just insane. This is nice. And this is the third book. I just love it. I think these all are just so pretty and I really like it. It doesn't have any pattern, but still this is also very good hardcover. I really like it. This is nice. Many people have read Dan Brown before, but this is gonna be my first time experiencing it. I have not read any books. I've really heard a lot about it. I know that the movie that came was not that good movie, but still I wanted to give the books a try. I know there are other books in the series, so I'm gonna try that too. I think I'm gonna order from Bookshore only because they are like amazing with books. I really like these 3 books. This is just amazing. The other 3 books that I ordered was basically The other 3 books that I ordered was basically series that I've already read, and I think many people have read. This is 50 Shades of Grey trilogy. I've already read this book a long time ago, but I do not have the physical copy of it, so I just wanted to get it, but I didn't want to get it in new condition or something, and I got this series in good condition. The Dan Brown books were almost new condition that I've chose, and these books I've chosen good condition. And like I can see, these are in good condition. Yes, I can feel that it has collected a lot of dust, but anyway, this books just feels like almost new. As you can see, I can see that all of these are readable. It is, yes, a little bit dusted and a little bit brown, but that does not bother me that much. These series have come a long time ago, and I just think if I would have had physical copy then, it would have been in same condition, and it would have cost me a lot at that time because it was kind of a phenomena when it first came out. But right now I've got this book and I'm actually glad for it. I just want to give it a reread. I did not like the second and the third book, to be honest. I mean, second book was okay, third book was a disaster, but I was really in love with the first book. I think it was amazing. I really liked the experience. Even the movie, I liked the first movie a lot better than I liked the second and third book, or the second or the third movie. That was not good, but the first movie and the first book was actually great. So I really liked reading it. It was very nice. So like I said, I love to get bookmarks. There are 3 to 4 bookmarks here. As you can see, yes, it has Bookshore behind it, but anyway, just nice. This one has Suicide Squad, which is nice. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, this one has beautiful flowers. This is very nice too. Then there's, I don't know what that is. Is this a turtle? I do not know what this is. Sorry, I do not know. And this is Your Moment, Own It. Oh, this one is very nice too. So I'm really happy with what I got. I think it was a very amazing experience. Especially I got 3 amazing books. I'm like really happy about these hardcovers. They just cost me like $100, and this is just amazing. I think this is a very good experience, and I'm really happy with Bookshore. I think they have provided the best. So of course I'm gonna be buying from them in the future because I can see that they provide very good books and at a very low cost. It just cost me almost nothing. So I'm really happy. Just one hardcover books cost almost 1,000 rupees. If you go for a famous fantasy or something, or even famous thriller or something, you get it for $1,000. But I got 6 books in 600 rupees, which is like amazing. I really liked it. So of course my experience was very good, and I would recommend Bookshore to you guys. If you want, you can try it out. Again, you are not gonna know until you buy it, and the books are very cheap there. You can get books from 59 to 100 to, I do not know, 150. Anything. It has a very wide range, and I really liked it. There's always kind of a sale going on there, so that is also a very interesting part. You can check it out. Like I said, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just saying it with my personal experience, and I have a very great experience like you've seen in the camera, and I really hope you try it too because I think this is just amazing. Do let me know in the comments down below if you have ever bought from bookshore.com and what was your experience. And of course, do not forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon if you want to get notified of my future videos. Until we meet again, see you.